We are going to draw double door entrance door. First, let's change the axis directions. From coordinates panel, select front. Axis directions is changed. Select rectangle command and draw rectangle with the dimensions 4 feet, 7 feet. Length into height dimensions of the door. Use offset command. Offset the rectangle inside by 3 inches. Now copy the inner rectangle. Decrease the x dimension to half. Now offset this rectangle. Offset is equal to 3 inches. Draw horizontal line. Offset it on both sides by 1.5 inches. Delete the middle line and trim. Apply join command and join all the lines. Now copy the inner rectangle. Use the press pull command. Click in between two rectangles. 9 enter, 9 inches, press pull. Once again press pull. 2 enter, 2 inches. Once again press pull. 1 enter, 1 inch. Now let's change the colors. Select object, CH enter and change the properties. Change the color. Now copy this blue color box. Once again make copy of this door panel. Now let's draw the door handle. Using rectangle, draw one rectangle manually with some dimensions and extrude it to a value of 3 inches. Draw another rectangle in the face of this box and use press pull. We get a hole. Now let's use 3D rotate command and rotate this door panel to an angle of 45 degrees. Now use 3D mirror command and mirror this panel to other side. Use move command and move this door into the wall. Let's change the visual style to realistic. Now let's apply materials to the door. Go to Visualize tab. Select the Materials command. Select the category Wood. Drag the wood material onto the frame. Drag another wood material onto the panel. In the materials, go to glass category. Now select the objects to apply the materials. Right click on the material, apply to selection. Now select the door handles. In the materials, go to the category metals and apply the chrome material.